wanna come on by.
I'm speeding down the road on my motorbike, devil on horseback, way out of sight. Highway behind, highway to go, wind through my hair like a racing bull. There she goes, fast down the highway, black and lightning.
Hey kids, we have our official Italian ice taster over here, and she's in love with it. She's in.
I get in the saddle and take the reins from Arizona to the Texas plains. There she goes, fast down the highway, black lightning.
We cannot thank you enough for coming out to Peggy's Crown. We appreciate it. I do a ton of biker events. I do a lot of car events. Fran Haas is always there, and if you guys ever need a personal injury attorney, please remember her name.
Black lightning. Black lightning.
Probably because it's too
This here
small.
bike will never fail. Dependable like the U.S. mail. Gets me there.
Oh,
gets
wow,
me
she
home.
goes it like a
Gets me to
cornhole
New
bag.
Mexico.
I'll be damned. This just might be. What are we gonna have here? I need 2 people. We got 2 big wheels. Sign up.
Well, you'll never see the likes of me in a quiet town in Tennessee. This bike and me doing 110. Never set eyes on us again. There she goes, fast down the highway, black lightning. Fast as she can go. You'll never set eyes on us again. There she goes, fast down the highway, black lightning. Black lightning.
What you can do, you're gonna start right here. You want to do? All right, if there's a black Dodge Ram out there with Corvette tag across the hood, they're gonna put them on the hook. If you know this is the neighbor's house, you want to sign up for the big wheel race? Come on down. If you guys would like to practice. If you guys would like to practice, you're more than welcome to run it up there and turn around and come back.
Join us at Peggy's Corral next month. We're here every 4th Saturday from 2 until 5 p.m. Space is limited. We start parking at 1:30. We look forward to seeing you next month.